So I'm going to show you guys how to run ads. So if you're trying to do anything for politics, if you're trying to run any political ads, anything like that, or a particular organization, or you're trying to raise money or anything like that, this is what you need to be doing. So all you got to do is click create right here. And as you can see, like it's the same ones here. But as you notice, I've noticed that Facebook have changed their interface slightly. That Facebook are always changing their interface all the time. So I'm pretty much used to it. But you can choose any one of these objectives. So if you wanted to get more engagement, get more traffic, it's totally up to you. But let's select traffic just right here. And then we can click continue right here. And then you want to select manual traffic campaign and then click continue. And then right here, you want to select categorize ads. You want to select categorize ads right here. And then you can select, you could say, yes, my ads promote one of the following. It could be brand, car loans, business loans. So guys, all you have to do is select this button here that says create. And then you can choose any one of these options here. It just depends on what you're trying to do for your political campaign. So if you're trying to get more traffic to your website, or you're trying to educate people on something that is happening in your area or in your organization or your constituency from a political point of view, then you can select the objective that matters to you. So you can go for traffic, you can go for engagement, leads, whichever you're trying to do. And the thing about this is that when you're running ads for political purposes, you're not really going to be going in for sales. You're not trying to get people to buy anything, really, but you're trying to get people to buy into an idea, into a cause, right? So you want to make sure that when you are choosing any of these objectives, you're trying to make sure that the cause or the idea that you're trying to get out there, you're trying to do it in a very efficient way, right? So say, for example, I choose traffic right here. And then all I got to do is click continue. And then all I got to do is click manual traffic campaign. Guys, it doesn't matter which objective that you choose. You always want to go for manual, always, right? The reason why is because there's a lot more controls you can do. You're not always heavily reliant on the algorithm. Whereas if you choose recommended or advantage or anything like that, you're pretty much heavily reliant on the algorithm. And then here, you want to click manual traffic campaign right here, and then click continue. And guys, remember, when you're running ads for political purposes or trying to run ads to push an idea or push a cause or let people know about your organization, you have to make sure that you let Facebook know about this. It's very important that you let Facebook know about this. Because with the US elections that are happening right now, I will literally show you later on in this video, right? What the politicians are doing right now on Facebook ads for their campaigns. I will literally show you. But what they have done and what we should do is that you want to make sure that you categorize your ads. This lets Facebook know, right? Look, accurately declaring your ad categories helps you run ads which are compliant with our advertiser standards and helps prevent potential ad rejections. So you have to let Facebook know that, hey, I'm running a political ad. I'm running a political ad. Do not reject my ads, right? So it lets Facebook know, okay, because when you do things in special ad categories, how your ads are judged and how they're reviewed are very different to how ads are judged or reviewed when you're trying to sell products or service. It's completely different set of rules, right? That's why you have to let Facebook know. So what you should do here, you want to click categorize your ads right here. And then you want to look at whichever one relates to the ad that you're running. So I'm just going to click yes. And then once you do that, you just click next. Then you click yes, whichever, it doesn't have to be yes, yes, yes. You can choose, you have to make sure that you're accurate when you are letting Facebook know what type of ads that you're going to be running, right? And then once you do that, you click next. And then you click yes. Till you get to the point, till you get to the part of what the ads that you're trying to run, right? So here, I'm trying to run political ads. So it says here, yes, my ads are made on my behalf, candidate, political office, about an election, referendum, social issues, and stuff like that. And then you want to click yes. You want to make sure that you're very transparent with Facebook about this, right? You do not want to say no, and then you're running political ads or politically related ads. You don't want to do that, right? And then once you do that, you click next. And then once you go through the process, it's going to ask you to review. Now, another way to let Facebook know what type of ads that you're running, especially if you're running ads for political purposes or pushing a cause or for social issues, what you want to do is this. You also want to, so go back here. So let's assume that we've already done this part. You want to go here and then you want to tick this option right here. You want to tick this option right here, right? And then what happens is that Facebook is going to ask for ID. Guys, when you're running ads like housing, political stuff, um, anything that you cannot discriminate on, right? Like I said, you have to let Facebook know that you are doing this, and they need to know that they need to know the people behind it. So you're gonna have to give them your identity. You have to basically give them the page. You have to basically really be transparent. That's what I'm saying. So when you're running any type of ads for social issues, elections, politics, or anything like that, Facebook needs to know that you are the person behind those ads, not a random person or spammy type of person, right? That is very, very important. Now, let's assume that we've now put in our ID and we've done everything right here. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you want to turn this option on right here. Then put in your budget. And then once you've done that, you want to click next. And then once you are here, you want to select your website. So you want or select the messaging, Instagram profile. So I know some people, when they're doing ads for social issues, politics, or anything like that, sometimes they want to show them, drive them to the website or drive them to their Instagram profile or get people to call in to sign up, maybe to a petition or something like that. So you want to use any one of these options right here. And then when you go to performance goal, here it's going to say maximum number of clicks. But what I tend to do is you want to select maximum number of landing page views. The reason why is because you want people to actually view the landing page. This is especially true if you're trying to drive people to your website. You want people to actually look at the landing page, not just click. You want them to actually like get onto your landing page, read what the information, and really take in that information, right? Especially if you're trying to push an idea, let people know about social issues, get people on board with certain political aims or anything like that. That is very, 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 very important. Very, very important, guys. Now, that's how you do it. So really, it's just making sure you got special ad category stuff sorted. And then you basically build out the ad as normal, as I've shown numerous times on my channel. But I wanted to show you guys something really, really interesting. So as we're currently now in the US elections at the time of recording of this video, you've got one person who is also running against another person, right? But check this, they are both running Facebook ads. Let me show you. As we can see here, I'm currently in the Facebook ad library right now. I'm going to click all, and then I'm going to click all ads, all ads. Then I'm going to type in, as you can see here, this is one of the candidates right here. Look at the amount of ads that are being run right this second. Look at the amount of ads that are being run right this second by this candidate right here, by Trump. As you can see, over 27,000, 2,700 results right here, right? That's a lot of ads, guys. That's a lot of ads. Bear in mind, they're getting TV coverage, podcasts, all that stuff, YouTube, all that stuff, social media, but they're still running ads. Now, let's look at the other person. We've got Harris. She's running 7,000. 7,000. Guys, look at all these ads. Look at all these ads, guys. Yeah. I'm based in the UK, right? So for me, I'm looking at the different strategies that people are using to get their ideas, get the awareness out there. And Harris is running way more ads than her competitor, than her competitor, right? So if you're trying to run ads for your political organization, for social issues, right? Bear in mind, you have to run a lot of ads. You have to run a lot of ads because at the end of the day, it's about convincing people, trying to get people on board, trying to get people on board with an idea, trying to get people to support your idea, support your organization, right? So I just wanted to show you that because a lot of people always assume that, oh, yeah, no. It doesn't matter what country you're in. There's a high chance that if a political candidate is trying to run for office or trying to, gain a seat in a certain government position, there's a high chance they're going to be running Facebook ads. But that's why it's important. It's very, very important for you to let Facebook know that you are running ads for those reasons. Because if you don't let Facebook know that you're running ads for political reasons or social reasons, Facebook will reject your ads. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of that. A lot of people don't know this. A lot of people don't know this, right? Look at the amount of ads. So many ads, right? So guys, I wanted to show this to you to help you guys. So if you're trying to run any ads for charity, social issues, I'm trying to run ads to gain more support for a petition or social cause that you're really passionate about, Facebook ads is another route that you may want to look at. Guys, as usual, if you want any one-on-one help with your ads, click the link in the description and I'm more than happy to help with your ads. So guys, I hope that helps you. As usual, if you need any one-on-one help with your Facebook ads, just click the link in the description and I'm more than happy to help so you can get more results with your Facebook ads and Instagram ads. But as usual, I'll be back again with another video to help you with your marketing for your business. Take care, guys.